Finding the right skincare product to help keep your skin healthy and glowing doesn't have to be a process. For, as young as I am, I already know for a fact that Danny Bright is your one step to flawless beauty and happiness. Get your Danny Bright products now. For your convenience, Danny Bright's contact numbers are 61725155824 as well as 85723733801. Likewise, you can order via their website at www.dannybright.com.
Bravo! It's a wrap, people. Thank you. Remember, early tomorrow morning for the Cadexco campaign. And please, get a well-rested night and sleep. Wow, you're such a natural. Just one take? I am really impressed. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
The pleasure is all mine. In fact, I should be the one thanking you for this great opportunity afforded me to shine.
Hello everyone and welcome to the grand premiere of my show. And thank you for watching. My name is Congo A. I am from a family of 4, my 2 parents as well as me and my younger sister. I came up with the idea of the show as a means to share with the world, the intricacies as well as the beauties of life.
By the way, congratulations on your show's grand premiere. I viewed it and thought it was really professional.
Thank you.
However, I think you should add some background music to it next
Double
time.
thank you. You are so right. I thought it was missing something but couldn't figure out what. Thanks for your suggestion.
That's what a younger sister's for.
Yes indeed.
Your father and I had a chance to view and scrutinize both projects. In short, we're extremely impressed and you make us feel really proud for having 2 well-accomplished daughters. Anyway, I know you take your talents from me and only me. I hope you are ready for your next projects.
Indeed we are ready. We've even challenged each other in that regard. I can't wait to tackle my next gig as I really look forward to it. Thank you for acknowledging our work. Likewise, we will always endeavor and strive to make and keep you proud. Thank you for trusting us and for being the best parents.
Yeah. Thank you Mom and Dad for being really awesome. I would not trade you even for a new tap tap. And you know how much I like my tap tap. You are the awesomest.
We really appreciate that. Thank you.
I am actually considering driving for Tap Tap Ride, as I've heard some great reviews about them.
If you're going to drive for Tap Tap Ride, I would suggest that you let the team at Marcel Victor and Associates handle your auto insurance coverage, so you can get the best coverage and service. In fact, they can be your one-stop shop, as they offer tax services as well as other financial services there. Their address is 1637 Blue Hill Avenue, Mattapan, Massachusetts 02126. Their telephone number is 617-296-1000. Good luck with your new gig. Go make that money.
Thank you Mr. Nato. I'll reach out to them immediately.
Mom, I am headed to St. Antoine Bakery in Brockton. Do you want anything from there?
Please bring me some of their succulent Haitian patties. By the way, can you please get me some Haitian mangoes from Cadexco?
Okay. Meanwhile, Drewby is gonna drop by. Please remind him to leave me the keys. Thanks.
Mr. Nago, can you please drive us to the mall?